Here's how to create a YouTube channel step by step in 2024 with all of the latest optimization techniques to make sure that your channel is optimized to get as many views as you possibly can, including a lot of the key optimization features that most people miss. And by the way, congratulations if you're starting a channel on YouTube, because it is the best place on the internet to start and grow an online business. And this is coming from someone who's made millions of dollars from starting dozens of different YouTube channels. And if you already have a Google account, you can skip this part right here. But if you don't, simply go down and click Create Account and then select For Work or My Business if you're going to be treating YouTube as a business. They may also ask you to verify your phone number, and then they'll ask you to put in the name of the Gmail you'd like to secure, and then from there you will have a Gmail account in which you can create your YouTube channel with. And now once you already have a Google account, what you can do is click on your profile picture in the top right and then go down here to Settings. From here then, we're going to click Create a New Channel, and you can have many different channels under one Google account if you'd like. Now, one quick bonus tip for creating your YouTube channel: make sure to use a password manager for saving the password of your Google account. And if you need some help coming up with a YouTube channel name, you can simply go on over to a website called ChatGPT, which is completely free, and type in "Give me 30 YouTube channel name ideas for a channel about making money," and then click enter right there. And then you can see that ChatGPT will go ahead and give you 30 different great channel name ideas. Now, with all of these ideas that you get right here, make sure that you run these through a website like the WIPO Global Brand Name Database to make sure that it's not already an established company. And also double check on YouTube that there's no huge channels using one of these names. But you can get hundreds of name ideas from here, and I almost guarantee you'll find a good one doing this. And now it's time for step number 3, which is customizing your channel. Once you have your YouTube channel created, you can get to it at any time just by simply clicking your profile picture and then clicking View Your Channel. And in order to add a profile picture, it's very easy. Simply just hover over your profile picture, click it, and then it'll let you upload a new profile picture right here. And in order to create a profile picture that looks very professional, I recommend using a website called snappa.com, and I'll leave a link down below where you can check it out. But it's basically a fantastic image maker where you can create images directly online. And we're just gonna use a photo for my sister right here for her channel. But if you're creating, for example, a faceless channel, what I recommend doing here, just go to custom graphic or size and put in 1080 by 1080 for the size and click create. Then you'll want to add a banner image, which is the image that shows in the background of your YouTube channel. In order to do that, all you simply have to do is go back to Snappa, and they have a built-in YouTube banner template right here, which is 2560 by 1440 for the dimensions. And you can just click that right there if you're using Snappa, and it will give you tons of templates that you can use to create that channel banner. And here's a good one right here that we can use for my sister's channel right there. We can just click it and it'll open it up, and then you can simply edit any text that's on here, since we're gonna be calling our channel Kayla's Cash, just like that right there. And what's cool about Snappa is we can even remove the image background if we wanted to right there. I'm gonna keep this simple because I wanna keep this fast for you guys for this tutorial. So we're just gonna click save and then click download and then click web optimized JPEG. Go back to YouTube Studio, click upload for banner image, select your banner image, click done, and boom. And then if you click view your channel, you can take a look at the changes that you made and see what it looks like. Some features, for example, adding custom thumbnails on your videos to entice people to click them, do require some additional verification. From your YouTube channel page, click your profile picture in the top right and then select YouTube Studio. Your YouTube Studio will be your hub for checking analytics, changing settings, and basically getting into the behind the scenes of your YouTube channel. And from your YouTube analytics, you can go to the left-hand side right here and go all the way down to the bottom to settings. And then from settings, go to the side right here and click channel, and then click feature eligibility. From here, in order to unlock, for example, custom thumbnails, which is an absolute must, I highly recommend doing this before you upload a single video on your YouTube channel. Click that, and then you'll be able to put in your phone number, and then click get code. For example, being able to upload more videos every day being able to apply for monetization, to put ads on our videos and make additional money that way. And this is very important if we're selling something like affiliate products or our own product. This is very important to do, and it does require some additional verification. Number one, you can do something like upload a video of yourself, submit a valid form of identification to YouTube, or you can get some channel history, which simply means having your YouTube be active for around a month, meaning uploading regular videos, and then they will go ahead and enable these features on your channel. I usually just go the video history route, but if you do have some links that you need to put in your videos from the very beginning, make sure to go in here and do this. Now it's time for step number 5, which is optimizing your channel. These are some additional settings that are going to help your channel get more views and rank in the algorithm faster. So let's dive straight into them, starting with going back into our YouTube studio. From here, we're going to go to the left-hand side and go down to settings. For me, I'm living in the United States, so I'm going to go down and select United States. And directly under that, we can add keywords that relate to our channel. And if you need any help with this, you can use something like ChatGPT. Give me 30 keywords about making money online. For example, passive income, that's a good one right there I wasn't thinking of. And if you want to go even a step further with this and find the absolute best keywords to put here, you can check out a tool called vidIQ. I'll leave a link down below where you can get it basically for free for the first month, and that'll help you find the best keywords to use. From here then, we want to go to advanced settings and select if our channel is made for kids or not. All you simply have to do is ask yourself, is the intention of this channel to be shown to people under the age of 13? This channel is going to be uploading videos in English, so we're going to scroll down and just select overall English right here. And if you know all of your videos will be in a single category as well, for example, my sisters are all going to be how-to videos. And then I'm also going to select the title and description language, which is also obviously going to be English right there. This will save us a ton of time in the uploading process when we upload every new video. Now what we want to do is customize our channel to get as many views as possible, and this is very easy to do. Go to the left-hand side down to customization, going over to the featured sections of your channel, click add section, and I recommend adding a popular video section because your popular videos are that way for a reason, because they're typically performing good within the algorithm. So we want to push people to those videos that land on our channel. And you can add some playlists here if you want, as well as featured channels if you'd like. And once you've made these changes, you can also even add a channel trailer if you want. We're just going to click publish, and we can add things like that channel trailer as well as a featured video for your returning subscribers later. If you'd like, write a 250 word description about a YouTube channel called Kayla's Cash, which teaches people how to make money online and different tactics for doing so. So as you can see, it wrote, "Welcome to Kayla's Cash, the go-to YouTube channel for anyone looking to dive into the dynamic world of making money online. Hosted by Kayla, a seasoned entrepreneur, myriad ways of earn income in the digital age. I've made millions of dollars from YouTube." So make sure when you're setting up your channel, go over here to the Earn tab on your YouTube studio, and then scroll down here. And as you can see, it requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in order to join the YouTube Partner Program. And after you're a part of that, you can start getting those regular paychecks from YouTube. So I recommend selecting email me right here so you can get emailed once you reach the requirements for doing this, so you don't forget about it. You don't want to forget to join the partner program and start making that YouTube money. Just click turn on right here, and then you can simply put in your phone number and do that. And also it's going to allow you to join the partner program, which will in turn let you get monetized when you hit those requirements. And in order to do this, simply go to your YouTube studio, go down to the left side to settings, and then click permissions. And from here, you can invite other people who have a Google account in order to access your channel. And you can give them different roles. For example, you can give them the role of moderator to just answer questions and stuff. And then you can also give the role so people can help edit your channel as well, like I'm doing right here for my sister. Now, one thing you can do if you'd like is add an auto subscribe link in order to get more subscribers for your channel. And in order to do that, simply go to the URL bar of your YouTube channel and then put this text after it: $sub_confirmation equals 1. And I'll show you what that does. So if we copy that over right here and click enter on this link, it'll direct people to a link where it will confirm if people want to subscribe to your channel. Simply click customize your channel in order to add this link onto it, and then go to basic info, go down to links right here, and then just simply put subscribe right there and put that link, click publish. And now if you click view your channel, you will see that subscribe link showing up right here. It just gives people one more option to subscribe to your channel there, along with if you want to put some links to your other social social media. And now it's time for step number 6, which is to start uploading and potentially even making money from YouTube. And if you want to discover exactly how to make money on YouTube without making videos, feel free to check out this video next to me right here. In fact, I give you 4 specific secrets for doing this in this video right here, including the best niches to do this in, how to generate tons of content quickly, and how to get a ton of views and subscribers fast so you're not just leaving this to luck.